Alright guys, got Casey here. Gonna start off the morning with a little 2017 Topps Finest Baseball. Brand new. Let's see what we got. 145. What's up, Seth? Let's see what this stuff looks like. Gregory Polanco refractor. Almost looks like a mix between Finest and Bowman's Best. It has more of a Bowman's Best feel to it. I like those old school Finest. Griffey. That's a cool looking card. Breakthrough Mike Trout. I think he broke through a few years ago. I think it's safe to say he's a bona fide superstar now. Benintendi rookie to 250. Scherzer refractor. Giancarlo Stanton to 150. Blue. Eddie Rosario. Refractor autograph. It's unnumbered. And another breakthrough. This one's Stephen Piscotty and a Bregman rookie. Alright, mini box 2. Rougned Odor, Benintendi rookie. Trey Turner, Wilson Contreras, Alex Reyes rookie, Bregman rookie again. See Judge on the back. There he is. Alex Reyes. We got a little gold action here. Garrett Cole to 50. Redemption. Nice. Orange refractor autograph, Francisco Lindor. Sweet, man. Should be numbered to 25. Okay. And Big Poppy. Finest Careers die cut. Unnumbered. Well, that didn't suck. That didn't suck. What do you think? Top number 2. Okay. Come on, Judge. $145. Goldschmidt refractor. Michael Fulmer, Finest. Breakthrough, Syndergaard. Carpenter. JD Martinez green to 99. What's up, Brian? Another green. This one's got ink. Kendrys Morales. 74.99. And Kenta Maeda breakthrough. Jonathan Villar. Ichiro. Old school. Brian, 4 boxes came in. I have no idea what came out of the case. Obviously, they were just kind of like loose boxes that get off DealerNet. So I wanted to hold off and see what you said about that. Jose De Leon to 250. Okay. Ryan Haley, refractor rookie. Tyler Naquin, refractor auto. And last pack. Run, Force, run. Another Piscotty, Gurriel rookie, and Tanaka base. Let me send him an email about that. Alright, Brian, they're going to run those over. Next. Dang. We've done alright so far. 2 boxes. Lindor orange is nice. That's been the highlights. Lindor orange. C-Step, what's up, dude? What do you think, Casey? Keep going, or are we done? Done. All right, man. Appreciate it.